Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another little vloggy vlog as we are cruising through Brooklyn. As we are cruising through Brooklyn, Williamsburg, on the beautiful Tuesday morning. It's a rainy one, it's a sloppy one, and I'm not sure why cars are not going, but there's a lot of slow, casual, confused traffic this morning. The rain brings that out on people. The rain makes people go extra slow. But anyway, today's a good day. I'm going to the office, going to DUMBO. Just going to, you know, put in a casual 9 to 5. Nothing crazy. Nothing too crazy. And got a meeting at 10 o'clock. A bagel meeting at that. You know what that means? Bagel meeting means you get to eat bagels. You get some bagels served up to you. And I'm just gonna have to talk about what I've been doing for the last week with the rest of the team. I'm just happy it stopped raining, because for a second it looked like it was gonna rain. It's gonna rain hard, and I'm not the biggest fan of wearing rain gear while going to the office, but I mean, it's possible. It's something that I could easily do. And I figured it's nice and wet, might as well record a little vlog, you know what I mean? Moisture is exciting for vlogs. Look at this. Might end up pulling up harder because folks seem to be a little confused. It's gonna be a tight squeeze. Aggressive. Highway. So I was actually gonna say this is gonna be a short vlog, not too informative, because I'm gonna have to split the whole fucking way because there's traffic for the next multiple miles. The next 3 miles that I have on this road, traffic the whole time. Alright, let me get in the splitting mood and I'll pick you guys up when we're closer to the destination. It's a big mess over here, but we shall figure it out. NYPD car, go past them. A lot of cops today stuck in traffic. Fuck. Damn. Alright, ladies and gents, I believe we are back. I believe we're back in business. Back to the vlog. That was a split galore. Not much more to it, but to do it. Look at these massive ass buildings. My knee's feeling a little better, so maybe I'll take a little walk around, take a look and see what's new. And yeah, 59 degrees. I'm surprised. Thought it was gonna be a little warmer. It's a beautiful day. I'm ready. Gloomy days like this are perfect for getting shit done. I have a couple of tasks that are super annoying. I have to deal with this South Carolina tax bullshit. That's all I really want to say about that. But I keep pushing it off. It's like this fear mixed with laziness, you know? It's kind of bizarre. Makes me want to puke. So it's a Tuesday. Hopefully I can just find a nice little parking spot right away without too much drama and excitement. Come on, boys and girls, we can do it. Ooh, I can see my reflection in the little mirror window there. Looking cute, looking real nice. Need some water. Feel dehydrated this morning. I went to Dirty Billy yesterday, and for that you fucking had to let people go. So yeah, I had a couple of beers, so I'm feeling a little dehydrated for sure. Losing all this valuable time because of this jerk off. These jerk offs. Is there construction ahead? No, I don't think so. I don't see it. But I do have to pass this fucking van. There we go. Cute. This is where I crashed. The video nobody's seen. Go. We swing around the block. We go wide. Look at this thing. Look at these businesses. There's gonna be like a dozen businesses here. Big boys too. Holy shit. I'm excited for this building. Truly am. No cars, no bikes, no people. There we go. This is the block where, with any luck, I'll leave my steed for the day. Spot right there. That is a spot, but we'll spin around the block. Any spots around here? It's a little tight. It's just a little tight. Any one of these spots would have been fine, but not today. All right, well. Damn, son. All right. Maybe I can, spin around the other block. Wasn't even any questionable spots. There we go. Find a place around here next to this Honda. Nah, it's not gonna happen. No parking on Tuesday. We're fucked. Can't park here. Well, boys and girls, I didn't mean to spin around the block 5 times with you all. That wasn't ever part of my equation. No parking. Yeah. I'll park right here. It's gonna be all right. Yeah. There we go. And we did it. Wasted quite a bit of time. How's it going? All right, kids. Well, I shall talk to you a little bit later. Not sure what that is on mute, but it's a gloomy little day. Gloomy, gloomy little day. I don't know. I think that parking spot is going to be just fine. I think it's going to be just okay. Anywho, I'll just talk to you guys later. It's time for me to get in the character. Time for me to get in the mood.